One line. I'm forward. I'm forward.
Sergeant at Arms.
So, okay. So, Team OB, palapahan natin ang marshals ng Team OB for...
Job well done!
Okay. As a gesture of our appreciation, we would like to award this simple appreciation to all the teams. And we will start with Team Intel Honda. We have tallied the score.
Tayo unang tinawag.
Hawak kamay.
Sana tayo huling tumagin para
The one who accumulated the
Yun yun
number of points. But for purposes of posting this fast, we've computed yung top 3. Okay?
TFR.
So you will
TFR. TFR.
go to Team Gangsta. Later on, we will just prepare a stack of certificates so we can give it to you later. So Team Gangsta is our third highest score. Second is Team Intel Honda. Team Intel Honda. Okay. Before we declare the champion, although obvious naman, we would like to give this clap of appreciation to all the teams. First and foremost, Team Intel Honda, thank you very much. Team All Good Boys is proud to present this clap of appreciation to Intel Honda for participating in the Jungle Skirmish competition at Pugadlawin 3, given the 17th day of February 2008. Signed by the Game OB President.
Picture tayo. Yun yung habol eh.
This flag of appreciation, and his may we call on Benjo, Brother Benjo, the OIC, who actually put this event together.
Brother
For Paramedic and Horny Boy, please. Paramedic and Horny Boy.
Horny boy.
Okay?
Horny boy siya.
Next pala, si Rex. Horny Boy o Horny Boy.
Horny boy.
Okay? Thank you very much, Team Intel Honda, and I hope in our next event, magpa-participate pa rin kayo. Kulang pa. Alright? Let's give a round of applause to Team Intel Honda. Okay. Next, we would like to award this flag of appreciation to Team Gangsta. Team Gangsta, all members of Team Gangsta, please. Team Gangsta. Thank you very much, Team Gangsta. A round of applause for Team Gangsta, guys. Sana magkakapalit namin kayo. Next team is Team GMA 7.
ABS-CBN. Team ABS-CBN.
Pointing pictures. Okay, thank you very much, Team GMA 7.
Video.
Susunod ulit. Ulit naman natin.
Channel 2.
Putang ka na.
Overreach yan. Channel 2.
Ulit.
CY tonto ako. Si CY. Si CY.
Okay. Next team, Team Heat. Heat. Thank you very much, Team Heat. Mabuhay sila. Mabuhay. Yan lang tayo mga pare. Laro kaya.
Ang cute.
Okay.
Sino ba dyan?
Next team. Team Task Force Recon. Task Force Recon.
Rangers.
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 Rangers.